Lantern chemistry is really difficult for understanding, but so difficult understanding is very important. My research area, my major is photochemistry based on the coordination compound. My major is photochemistry, but so my specialty is lanthanoid photochemistry. Normally, so photochemists use the organic compound or inorganic compound, including the metal ion. So that's really d orbital or pi orbitals. So but the lanthanoid ion is 4f orbital. It's very different from other compound. It's difficult to understand 4f orbital. Lanthanoid ion is a very special ion, but so we can use everything. For example, fluorescent light. This is including lanthanoid ion, luminescent lanthanoid ion. I want to make a very bright luminescent material based on prediction of using informatics science. For example, sensing material, thermosensing, oxygen sensing, it's useful for luminescence. My major is material chemistry, so it's very different from informatics science. But so if we use the informatics science technology, we can make a new prediction. This ICReDD is including the informatics science. So I think so prediction using the informatics science is very important in the future maybe. I love cooking. So cooking is just chemistry. So I think so we are thinking about the taste, including the pepper and ginger and so on. So like a chemistry, thinking about the ratio, concentration is very important. It's very similar to chemistry.